Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start blogging. Please subscribe and type subscribed in the comment section below. 1. Choose a blogging platform. The first step in starting a blog is to select a blogging platform for publishing your content. A quick Google search will show you that there are several different sites available that suit bloggers from all industries. I recommend Wix because it's a good all-around blogging platform that satisfies most needs. Wix's blogging platform is fairly straightforward to get the hang of, and it offers a variety of attractive design options and templates to work with. In addition, it comes with features to analyze your blog's performance and monetize your content, which will come in handy as you build your readership. 2. Pick a hosting platform. Once you select your preferred blogging platform, you'll need to choose a hosting platform. A blog, like other types of websites, requires a host. This essentially stores websites on a server under a unique address so that visitors can easily reach them. On some blogging platforms, hosting is already included, so you won't need to find a separate web host. In that case, you can skip this step and move to step 3. With other website builders such as WordPress, you will need to find and pay for a separate hosting platform. Some popular options include Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost. If you're not sure which hosting platform to choose, take into account these factors. Uptime, the amount of time that the server hosting your website is up and running. A strong uptime rate, 99.95% or above, is a good indication that the host servers perform well. Bandwidth, the amount of data your website can transfer to visitors over a certain period of time. This factor is based on the size of your website pages as well as the amount of traffic you expect. This quick bandwidth calculator can help you determine your site's bandwidth. Customer support, customer service you can contact in the event something goes wrong. Ideally, your hosting provider should offer an online help center, offer callbacks and respond to questions and concerns on social media. Once you've chosen your blogging platform and hosting provider, you can start coming up with your blog idea. Don't worry about picking and registering your domain name just yet. We'll walk through that process together in step 4. 3. Find the right niche. Let's move away from the technical and dive into the more theoretical. Take a step back and think about the main element that will form the foundation of your blog, from its URL and domain name to its content and design. Your blog's niche. What exactly do you want your blog to be about? There is virtually no limit when it comes to your choice of subjects. The most crucial thing is that you select a specific topic area that will be the central focus of your entire blog. Possible blog types range from fashion blogs to marketing blogs to book blogs or food blogs. Because there are lots of other blogs focusing on the same subjects, you'll need a way to stand out while still writing about what you love. Here are 3 simple steps for choosing the perfect blog niche. One that not only is in line with your passions, but one that you can also monetize and grow. 4. Select a blog name and domain. As you think about how to start a blog, the question of what to name it is probably lurking somewhere in the back of your mind. There are 3 main routes you can go with your blog's name. These include your first and last name, the name of your business, if you have one, a creative new name. When choosing your blog's name, you should also think about the personality you want it to reflect. Should it be formal and professional, sweet and romantic, edgy and offbeat? If you're stuck on names for your blog, this blog name generator is a helpful source of inspiration. 5. Set up and design your blog. Choose a blog template. Decide which pages to include. Get indexed on search engines. Create a blog logo. At this point, you've chosen a blogging and hosting platform, domain name, and blog niche. You're now equipped with all the basics for setting up your blog. Here's how to optimize your blog design. Choose a blog template. The first part of setup is selecting a template. Like your blog's name, its look and feel will be an important part of its personality. The most efficient way to get your blog up and running is to choose a pre-designed blog template. Afterwards, you can customize it based on your preferences. Be sure to pick one that conveys your blog's subject area. There are website templates for bloggers of any genre, whether you're a food blogger, photography blogger, or business blogger. As you browse, think about the mood you want your website to communicate, for example, whether it's classic, modern, rugged, or minimalist. You should also take that into account as you further personalize the template with your preferred colors. Color psychology plays a huge role in forming your audience's impression of your blog. As you choose a color palette, keep in mind the feelings and attitudes that different colors evoke. Blue, for instance, tends to evoke dependability and trust, while yellow evokes energy and joy. If you're unsure of which templates to choose, these blog examples serve as a helpful source of design inspiration. 6. Brainstorm blog topics. On the technical side, your blog is now ready to go. It's time to start thinking about which topics you'll get started with. Begin by thinking about your experiences, successes, failures, or discoveries related to your niche. What insights can you share? What ideas are you looking to explore in depth? As you think of topics, try to get into your readers' heads. 8. Create an editorial calendar. Woo! You've just written your first blog post. Take a break, and when you're ready, plan out the rest of the month's posting schedule. Creating an editorial calendar is an important part of starting a blog. It's an effective way to ensure you publish content consistently, letting you hold yourself accountable as a writer, and ensuring you don't deviate from your blogging goals. Your readers want new content, and you need to deliver. Plus, search engines take into account how frequently you publish when determining your site's overall ranking. 8. Create an editorial calendar. Woo! You've just written your first blog post. Take a break, and when you're ready, plan out the rest of the month's posting schedule. Creating an editorial calendar is an important part of starting a blog. It's an effective way to ensure you publish content consistently, letting you hold yourself accountable as a writer and ensuring you don't deviate from your blogging goals. Your readers want new content, and you need to deliver. Plus, search engines take into account how frequently you publish when determining your site's overall ranking. 10. Make money blogging. Affiliate marketing. Advertise within your blog. Offer paid subscriptions. Write sponsored content. Sell ebooks and merchandise. Provide consulting services. If you're looking to start a blog with a large readership, chances are you're also aiming to make money from your blog's popularity. We touched on affiliate marketing earlier in the article, but let's talk more about this and other money-making strategies. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to receive more of this awesome content as it is released. Thanks for watching.